Whenever we take on a new project here at Star, we focus on two things. What exactly does a client want and how do we delight them? We understand that meeting our customers' expectations is just not enough anymore. That's why our prime focus is understanding the unique requirements of each customer.
Whether you are a venture-backed startup or a Fortune 500 company, we provide tailor-made solutions to suit your needs and help bring your ideas to reality. We are always available to learn more about your project. You can contact one of our in-region sales engineers by web, email, or phone. You can even set up an in-person meeting for a project review. You could also upload your design files and RFQ details to our website for a free quote online, which would then be sent to our highly trained engineering team for a careful design for manufacturer review. We have strategically placed sales engineers all around the world in your local time zones. This way, getting in touch with us is really that simple. If you want to check out our facilities for yourself, you're welcome to visit our factory in Zhongshan, China, and to meet our international team of engineers and technicians. In the heart of China's Pearl River Delta, we are only 90 minutes ferry ride from Hong Kong. From airport pickups to arranging your accommodation, we will take great care of you. When visiting, our experts will take you on a tour of our advanced manufacturing facilities, which will give you a first-hand experience of Star's vast capabilities and values.
Right from your initial inquiry all the way through product delivery and beyond, we promise the journey with Star Rapid will be a seamless one.